If you have ever wondered how JENSEN continuously creates the future in laundry automation, here we will show you in an easy way. With JENSEN, we make every operation simpler, more effective, and more productive. Although the design of each plant changes depending on the client or the type of products or services they offer, the basic operation is the same.
American Textile started the relationship with JENSEN probably about 20 years ago when we redid our washroom in Los Angeles facility, and we continue our relationship with them today because they've always seemed to take care of the relationship as well as any problems that they've had with their equipment when they sell it to us.
The driver arrives at the plant with the soiled goods from each customer. They all arrive completely soiled, ready to start their cleaning cycle. With the soiled linen in the laundry carts, the employees deposit the goods on the conveyor belt with the help of cart dumpers.
JENSEN has been our partner for quite some time. They put out great equipment, very efficient equipment. Brand new garment system, state of the art, the best there is, incredible. You operate it from a touchscreen and you just drive the entire facility from there.
They are then taken to a station where they are classified. The goods are separated into bags, and when the bags reach a certain weight, they are sent to storage. There, they await the washing process. A single person is capable of managing the entire washing process of a plant. Each batch of goods will go to its corresponding tunnel washer in due time.
With JENSEN's tunnel washer, we're able to reduce the water consumption with the reused water inside the tunnel.
The tunnels that give us a lot of different options. We can reuse the water. That way we can save probably 30 to 40% of that water.
The detergents, temperature, and type of washing that each batch needs will be selected automatically. This is a highly efficient process where energy is saved while water is recycled. Some specialty items will require special treatment, so they are led to our small pass-through washers for the respective washing process.
The rail system that we have here is all automated, and it's a different machine to try to troubleshoot. With new technology, you come up with machines that have screens that tell you what the problem is, shows you what the problem is, and tells you what to do and how long it'll take. It goes back and it will tell the operator really what's going on with the machine and gives them several options. And especially with our rail system, it really runs the entire facility.
When each batch completes the washing process, they are compressed to extract the excess water, and they are transported to the dryers to begin their drying process. In this part of the process, in some plants, the intervention of employees is minimal or is not necessary at all. Everything is completely automated. When the goods come out of the dryers, the system is in charge of transporting them to different parts of the plant to start the finishing process.
The old ironers were made out of steel, and the steel was approximately, 1 inch thick. Nowadays, the majority of the ironers are made out of stainless steel, which gives them the ability to flex. And when they flex, they have more contact. And more contact with the item, now it's going to dry faster, so you can run the ironer faster and get a lot more production out of it.
This part of the process is hybrid, where employees are in charge of feeding the machines with clean linen, and our system takes care of the ironing, folding, and stacking process and delivers the final product for loading onto delivery carts.
This whole plant is automated. We don't have too many people moving bags or moving carts. Since the whole system is automatic, everything that goes straight into your station. When you see the system running, As far as all the technology, everything is automated. You honestly see how the whole life is changing. The future is, this is part of the future. It's part of the future, honestly.
Finally, the trucks are loaded with the exact quantity of goods that our clients expect, and they are hand-delivered.
As far as the tunnels, presses, ironers, dryers, actually some of this equipment I never saw in my life until I started working for Medico, and this is great. The way they have everything set up, the way it works, it makes our job a little bit easier.
With all our years of experience in serving clients in more than 50 countries, we feel more than competent to cover the entire laundry process from soiled linen sorting through the washroom, the finishing department, and material handling. We offer a variety of products from transportation and handling systems, tunnel washers, separators, feeders, ironers, and folders, to complete project management for fully equipped and professionally managed industrial laundries like the one you just saw. At JENSEN, we will continue to develop and invest in our people to supply innovative and sustainable products and services around the world.